Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rampasad Sharma. I'm your English teacher. So today we are going to discuss the topic of English grammar, that is noun. Simply, the normal word noun means the name. Throughout this whole universe, different kinds of noun are there. Some of the examples I have this marker, this is one noun. I have this duster, this is another noun, and the whole in the whole world, the things which are exist throughout this universe on this earth, these all are belongs to noun. सामान्य अर्थमा तपाईलाई म एकचोटि नेपालीमा पनि भनिदिन्छु यो विश्वभरि थ्रु आउट दिस होल युनिभर्स जति पनि लिभिङ नन लिभिङ चिजहरू छन् अथवा थिङ्सहरू छन् all of these are belongs to noun. You can see here definition. Noun R-E-F-E-R-S refers to the name of P-E-R-S-O-N person, place or things. Those things which are access to all these words. There are three types of word, types of noun, or three types of things. These are either person or place, or either place or things. All of these are belongs to noun. This noun can be categorized into different forms. Before categorize these nouns into different forms, let me tell you some of the examples of noun here. You can see here. I'm going to prove this definition: the name of the person, name of the place, or name of the things. Look here. For examples, this Ram, so Hari, Sita, Raman, blah blah blah. All of these are belongs to the personal noun, or these nouns are the name of the person. So the noun or the words, noun means the words which refers the name of the person. All of these are belongs to the noun. And it's like that place. For example, Surkhet, Kathmandu, Delhi, Dhading, and many words. All of these places are belongs to the name of the place. So a noun refers to the name of the person, name of the place, or name of the things. You can see here the examples of the things. For example, cow, this is living things. Pen, this is belongs to the non-living things. For example, stable, this is belongs to non-living things. All of these things are belongs to noun. Okay. My dear students, I think that you may have the clear-cut concept about this definition: the name of the person, name of the place, or name of the things. Okay. After this definition, after the definition of noun, I'm going to tell you about the different categorization, or the different category, or the different types of the noun. So you can see here, so we are going to discuss here. So you can see here types of noun. Okay, here type means the different sorts or the different forms of the, or different categories of the noun. So you can see here, you may know about the different types of noun in our previous class. If you don't have, it's okay, don't worry. I will tell you, or I'm going to make you clear cut about the different types of the noun here. For examples, number one, the noun can be categorized into 5 forms. Okay, let's see below. Number one, this number one is proper noun. Here, the proper noun means the name of the particular object or particular place or particular person. For examples, we see here, we already see here this Ram. Ram is proper noun. Surkhet, proper noun. Here, black cow. This black cow is also belongs to the proper noun. If you need further definition of this proper noun, let we see or let we tell here. Proper noun means the name of the person, place or things which are directly refers the object. Here pronoun or personal noun means here, proper noun means here the D-I-R-E-C-T, directly refer O-B-J-E-C-T, object. Here directly refer object means, for examples, here this C-O-W, cow, this is noun, but this cow is not belongs to this proper noun. If we say here black cow, this is belongs to this proper noun. If we say here B-O-Y, boy, this boy is not belongs to this proper noun. This is not belongs to proper noun. But if we say here tall boy, this is belongs to proper noun here. So directly refer means that refer or that identify clearly, that is belongs to proper noun here. Let me give you some examples of the proper noun here. It's okay. My dear students, you can see here examples. Proper noun, for examples, Suman. So Suman means that Suman, the particular or the special or that referred boy. Suman, because green grass, black cow, red t-shirt, etc. You can see here. This all of these words or all of these nouns, summon, because, green grass, black cow, red t-shirt, etc. they refer the object directly. That means all of these are called by their name or by their first name. So these are belongs to proper noun. In the same way in Nepali, you can see or you can study in the same noun. That means that proper means here in Nepali there is, I think, Bekti Vasak Naam. The Bekti Vasak Naam in Nepali, there is the if the person or the if the place or the if the things are directly categorized or the directly referred there. Okay, number two, here another one. First one is proper noun and second noun is common noun. For example, common noun means, so we already write here cow, boy, girl, song, these all of these are belongs to common noun here. If you need the definition of common noun, the words which refers the name of the common object, common person or common things or common places, these are belongs to common noun. Let me give you here some examples. For example, cow. Here this word cow did not identify, or this cow does not identify which cow is that. Either black cow, either white cow, either green cow, or many more. So this cow refers to only that species or different kind of species of the cow. This refers. So this is belongs to common noun. And in the same way, which man? It's not clear cut. There may be old man, there may be young man, there may be child, many more. It's not give us clear cut information, but it's commonly include here. So this is belongs to common noun. तपाईले सर्टकट हेर्दाखेरि के रहेछ कमन भनेको र आफूलाई चाहिँ क्लियर कट गराउन खोज्नु भयो भने जसले the noun, the words, that nouns which collects or the which refers the commonly or the whole name, that is belongs to common noun here. And another is book. Can you say which book is this? Nepali book, math book, science book, or many others books. This word book does not refer any others book. Nepali book, English book, math book, science book, and others, many more books, but that refers only one book. That means this refers the common name. That is the book, that word is only common. Any kinds of book here. And another copy. Which copy? Blanks copy, field copy, math copy, science copy, or many more other copy. This copy does not refer to anyone. So this is commonly identified here or the commonly written here. Another student. Which student? Talent student, medium student, weak student, nutty student. Which one? Oh, it does not give us clear-cut information, but it only generalizes. So this is belongs to common noun. At the sum of this common noun, we can say that the words which generally refers the common species of the noun. This is belongs to common noun. And the same way in Nepali, it has the same form. I think I already told you there are this Vyaktivachak naam, and this is belongs to Jativachak naam in Nepali, but this is belongs to common noun in English. In the same way, number 3, collective. Collective noun. Okay. We are discussing about the proper noun, directly refer object, common noun, commonly refers or that represents the whole thing, that is common noun. And here the collective noun, that means set of the something. That collective noun means set of some things. That means it includes the whole things. When we discuss about the different things, when we discuss about the fruits, when we discuss about the group of the peoples, that is belongs to this collective noun. For example, here group, group. This is belongs to this group means here set, group of the people, group of students, group of island, many more things you can see here. So when we discuss the whole things of the grapes here, bones of grapes. bunch of grapes. That means the whole or the wholeness of the grapes. सिङ्गो रूप जसलाई हामी चाहिँ झुप्पो भनेर पनि चिन्ने गर्छौं. ओके, HIVES, hives of bee. The whole bees which are the representing in the hives of the bee, that is belongs to. So in the same way, when we renounce the collective noun of bee, that is belongs to hives. So in the same way, troop of army, heap of books. In the same way, this heap and this troop, all of these, this troop is the collective noun of army. And the same way, the heap is the collective noun of this book. And another examples here. Pride of line. This pride is the collective noun of this line here. And SERD, herd. This herd is the collective noun of cattle. So if you have any confusion about this collective noun, you can mention in your assignment. And let me tell you another type of noun here. The fourth type or the another type of the noun is here material noun. Material noun number 4. Materials. Here material means the matter. Matter, any kind of matters which can't we count but they can be measured. So for examples, flour, oil, seeds, rice, water, ghee, and many more. All of these are belongs to material noun. Here material noun means those things which cannot be counted in number but they can be measured by using the different means of measurement. Here these are belongs to this material noun. If you have any confusion, let me summarize you here in the sum of our lesson. And number 5 is abstract. Abstract noun here. Some of the examples of abstract noun here: anger, angry, love, fear. All of these are belongs to abstract noun here. The definition of abstract noun is here those noun or those feelings, those noun which cannot be measured or count but they can be feel. For examples, if I say I love you to someone, we cannot measure, we cannot count the love which is expressed by somebody to someone. This is belongs to this abstract noun here. And another examples, hey, I hate you. That hate we cannot measure in length, we cannot count in number, but that can be feel. That is belongs to abstract noun. Okay, let me summarize you here. Look at here, let me summarize you. Noun can be categorized into proper, common, collective, materials, and the finally last one is abstract. So for examples, the examples of proper noun is Ram, Sagarmatha, Nepali book, Pasang Lamu Serpa. All of these noun are belongs to proper noun. And the examples of common noun: boy, girl, cow, bee, book, army, brave, martyrs, and many more. You can see here. If you have any confusion, you can see in your book also. This noun is belongs to parts of its speech. The belongs to the parts of its speech. There may be other things, but the first one is noun here. You can see here in your grammar book here. And collective noun: group, her, bonds, pipes, heaps, troops, and many more. You can see there. If you need other information, the knowledge about the collective noun, you can see that in your book. In a similar way, the material noun, this is belongs to, or some of the examples of the material nouns are wood, iron, flour, oil, ghee, sugar, meal, and many more. All of these are belongs to material noun. And finally, abstract noun: love, fear, angry or anger, affection, attraction, and many more. All of these are belongs to abstract noun. And the noun have the same categories in Nepali also. In Nepali, these proper nouns refers to व्यक्तिवाचक नाम, जातिवाचक नाम, समूहवाचक नाम, द्रव्यवाचक नाम, and भाववाचक नाम. Here, bhav, that means the internal feeling. Here, dravya, which means the matter or material. Here, collective, samuha, group, and common, that refers the individual categories or species. And here proper, the identify the typical or the particular things or object here. Okay, let me give you some your assignment here. If you have at last, if you have any confusion there, that you can submit in your assignment there. If you then when I correct your assignment, then I will correct your problem there also. Okay, be ready for your assignment. So number 1, write any 10 examples of collective nouns. Number 2, mention any 6 examples of abstract noun. Okay, these 2 are for your homework, and if you have any confusion on these questions, later on we will discuss. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.